how to set up a joint account on Monzo. In order to set up a joint account on Monzo, both individual must have existing active personal Monzo account and be over 18 and be a UK resident. What you want to do is, first thing first, you want to make sure both user must have their own individual Monzo account set up, the offline one. Now, you want to download the Monzo app onto your device. Once you're done downloading the Monzo app, you want to locate the sign up button. Once you press on the sign up button, you will then be asked to type in your email address that you want to register with. So quickly type in your following information and select submit. Once you've done that, you could either go ahead and download the app or finish it using your browser as well. You have to locate, then you want to select open a joint account as well, and once you've done that, select your partner from a contact list, ensuring a payment with friends is on, or send them a unique invite link which expires in 24 hours. Once the invitation or invite is accepted, the joint account is opened and virtual cards are available immediately as well. And that is how you can set up a joint account for Monzo. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.